Hello and welcome to this episode of Tuesday Seeds. Today, our focus will be on the importance of keeping your soil covered. So please stay tuned. All right, you guys may or may not know this, but our skin is the largest organ on our body, and its main function is really to protect us from any outside elements such as germs, and it also regulates our body temperature. And in fact, if we ever lost our skin, then we would not live, can't live without skin. So it's that important. And the same holds true when we're discussing and talking about keeping our soil covered. One of the most fundamental things that you can do to restore and maintain soil health on your land is to cover exposed soil. And here's just a few reasons why. So number one is that soil cover such as plants, mulch, or things such as decaying organic matter, they all act like skin, which protects and shields living organisms that are underneath in the soil. The other thing is that this greatly helps regulate ground temperature where plants grow. The second thing that covering our soil does is it reduces what we call capping, which happens when rainfall hits exposed soil, and that soil eventually turns hard like a shell or a cap, hence the word capping, that happens right on the top of the soil surface. So by covering the soil, we have less groundwater runoff, we have less erosion, and less flooding. So the third and final thing that we'll point out in this episode is that since water has to go somewhere, your job is really to collect that water and keep it in your soil for as long as possible. So by covering your bare soil, rainwater has a much stronger likelihood to get to where you want it to go, which is where your plant roots are. So the next time you're out in your garden or your pasture, walk around and check for bare spots or exposed soil. And if need be, put some skin on it. Remember, be the exception.